The Laura Tanzer method for taking proper measurements. First, we do a bust measurement, and we always make sure on these kinds of measurements that our tape is even and not dipping on one side or another. Then we take our waist measurement, and you always want to take these measurements when there's not too much clothing on so that you get proper measurements and they're not too big. And then we take the high hip measurement, which is about 5 inches below the waist. Very simple. And then we take the low hip measurement, which is typically the widest part of the hips. And again, we want to make sure that it's even all the way around, and we find that measurement. Then we want to do our rise, and we want to see that turn. What that is from the center front waist through the legs to the center back waist. We take that measurement to get a perfect fit every time. We also do an inseam, where we go from the crotch down to the floor, and the floor measurement gives us a full length. And we also do an outseam from the waistline down to the floor, which gives us a full length. And if you wanted something that was ankle length, you could just subtract that little bit. And then we're going to do a skirt measurement. So typically what we do is from the side waist down to the knee, we just measure that. And if you want your skirt a couple of inches above the knee, now we have that knee measurement and we know how much to subtract. Then we do bicep, so that when we have a sleeve, it's the appropriate width and it's not going to be too tight or too big. And then we also do a shoulder measurement, which is from the corner of the neck and the shoulder to the bone of the shoulder, not any further than that. And then from that bone, to do a sleeve measurement, we do a bent arm. We go around the elbow to the wrist bone. And those are our measurements. Very simple. Thank you.